the overall beauty of a plaster wall rivals any other wall system finish. However, due to everyday wear and tear, your walls may need some minor maintenance at times. Homes shift, twist, leak, and crack. It isn't what happens that matters. Instead, it's our approach to a remedy that will ensure our walls lasting legacies. We're pleased to announce the Plaster Portal's newest addition, Repair. Learn how to remedy small imperfections with our timeless blends, and further your expertise with crack resolution tactics and faux painting techniques that isolate unsightly blemishes and refresh your plaster walls, increasing their longevity and ensuring they'll stand the test of time. Repair is now live for baseline members of the Plaster Portal.